Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Lexus LC. The 2024 Lexus LC has been named the Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, reaffirming its status as a premier choice for those seeking a harmonious blend of performance, style, and luxury. The LC continues to captivate with its striking design, refined driving dynamics, and high-end features, setting a new benchmark in the luxury sports car segment. Exhilarating performance and dynamic handling. The 2024 Lexus LC offers a thrilling driving experience with its robust engine options. The LC 500 model is equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. This power allows the LC 500 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, providing a rapid and engaging ride. For those seeking an even more dynamic driving experience, the LC 500h hybrid model combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with electric motors to produce a combined 354 horsepower. The LC 500h offers a smooth and responsive performance with its multi-stage hybrid system and CVT transmission. Both models feature a rear-wheel drive configuration and an adaptive suspension system that balances sportiness with comfort, ensuring excellent handling and stability on various road conditions. Elegant design and luxurious interior. The 2024 LC is distinguished by its bold and elegant design, characterized by its distinctive spindle grille, sleek profile, and aerodynamic lines. The car's low, wide stance and striking LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the LC boasts a luxurious cabin crafted with high-quality materials, including leather, wood, and carbon fiber accents. The driver-oriented cockpit features a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Lexus Inform, offering intuitive control over navigation, media, and connectivity. The LC's seats are designed for both comfort and support, providing a refined driving environment. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Lexus LC is equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems enhance both safety and convenience, complementing the LC's performance and luxury. Conclusion. The 2024 Lexus LC's exceptional performance, stunning design, and luxurious features have earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engines, elegant interior, and advanced technology, the LC remains a top choice for drivers seeking a high-performance sports car that delivers both excitement and sophistication.